Dan with Guardian Mold Prevent here. We're going to take a look at a mold remediation project on a home that's located in Lombard, Illinois. You're looking here at a bathroom ceiling where some mold has developed as a result of excessive moisture in the bathroom. But the main problem in this house is located down in the basement. As you can see, the basement is a dark and damp and very dirty space in this home. This basement was obviously neglected for a very long time. It looks like there has been some ongoing seepage issues. You can see that there is effervescence coming through the foundation walls. You can see that the framing has some deterioration, definitely has been wet, and most certainly has some mold growth on it. You can see that on the foundation walls that are painted, the paint is actually acting as a food source for the mold, and we've got some mold that have developed in those areas. Normally, concrete, is being a non-porous surface, wouldn't support mold growth, but when you've got paint on the walls and it sees a lot of moisture, you can get some mold to develop. You can see that we've got some shelving units and again some painted concrete walls that have developed mold. You'll see that some of the areas that have paneling and drywall have certainly got some mold developing at the base of the walls. And this basement has been and currently is taking on moisture at the time that these photos are taken. You can see that there's some seepage still getting in, and the basement is not completely dry. Now, we were contracted by a bank because this is a foreclosed vacant property. They asked us to come in to remove the mold, to clean the air, and to get the house in a sellable condition. So as you can see, in the bathroom that we showed originally, we removed the drywall, the insulation, those are the porous items. We treated everything with the biocide, we scrubbed it down, and then we put a white acrylic-based mold-resistant coating on. Now, as we move into the basement, you can see that there has been a drastic transformation that has taken place. It's no longer a dark and dingy space. The materials that were affected, the drywall, some of the paneling, the trim and the insulation, have all been removed from the basement. We sealed off the basement while we were working. We put it under negative air pressure to keep the air from exchanging with the rest of the living space. We then treated all of the framing, the foundation floor, the foundation walls with a biocide, which is a product that kills mold. We then physically scrubbed down all of those surfaces, and we applied an acrylic-based mold-resistant coating over the top. The next step of the project then would be to bring in our HVAC cleaning company. They clean out all the ductwork, they clean up the furnace, and so when the bank sells this home, they can rest assured that it will be clean going forward.